Let's make Mermaid Chia pudding with Simply Delish. Start by making the Simply Delish vanilla pudding according to box instructions using your milk of choice. Then add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of chia seeds and 1 to 2 teaspoons of blue spirulina powder. Give that a mix, and then add in 1 cup of blueberries. Mix one more time before covering and refrigerating for a couple of hours or overnight until completely set. For an extra fun touch, you can find these silicone mermaid tails and use white chocolate mixed with a little bit of blue spirulina powder to make the perfect decoration. Once the chia seed pudding has completely set, spoon into serving cups of choice. Then top with some shredded coconut and those mermaid tail chocolate decorations and some blue sprinkles for an extra pop of color. These are so delicious and a healthy treat for both kids and adults.